Hi guys, welcome back to Home Crux. Today we are going to make Halloween wreath using some dried wooden branches. Let's get started. Here is what we need for this Halloween wreath. Some dried twigs, jute twine, some bad paper cutouts and hot glue gun. First we are going to prepare our wreath base with these branches. Start by layering your bigger twigs. We are going to tie these up. Our wreath base is all ready and I have used the hot glue strands which are very annoying as spider webs. Now we are going to spray paint this black and then we are going to add some finishing touches. Now that our wreath is painted black, I am going to add some bats here. This upside down hanging bat will go behind our spider webs. I'm just going to gently lift the wreath and insert the stick. Make sure that it's visible. Now we add more bats. Once you have added the bats, it's time to add a hanging string. So just folded a jute twine. Insert this twine to our web of twigs, and there you have a beautiful low budget bat wreath for Halloween.